Hi, I'm Reagan, and one day someone told me,
Hey, don't be sad today, okay? Make sure you smile. Don't forget to smile. And, you know, bomba clot.
we're cute.
Oh my god, I love this little thing.
Right? It's so cute.
I feel like my people is all about like me too. In the video lights.
So cute.
Oh my god, this is so cute. Wow.
Isn't it pretty? It was. Isn't it? It's pretty, huh?
Perfect choice.
Oh, okay. Wow. Don't worry. You're gonna be okay. We're all in the same hotel.
Oh yeah, true.
Trying to convince her to get That's what's happening.
Jen, get ready. You can only get 31 times. You will have a good time.
You know where you're going yet?
Nope.
Aha! Shreya doesn't know. I love that. I love that. Okay. So, and on that, Andriana still doesn't know where she's going, but we're headed somewhere fun. So that should be great. Yup. Coming off the night we had yesterday. Last night was great. What's the name of it? Oh, Funky Geisha. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. That's our driver.
We need to use the parking, but we need to pay the parking. because it's a small way. It's very, very small.
That's okay. We can pay for parking.
If I have possibility to parking on the way, no problem. But if not, we need to get into
Pay for
the
parking.
because the police to move, you know, there are a lot of police go through.
Okay.
Thank
Sure.
you so
Thank
much.
you.
De nada, gracias.
Come back with me. I'm gonna see you. Quiero que tu encanto me guste, me encante y me invite a gozar. Y que me suba tu
We're at a museum. Alright guys, so we are at SFER IK Museum. How gorgeous is it? And I'm very excited to go here. So cute! Just putting on her lip gloss, getting ready for her pics. And we're in white. We're in white. Girl, I'm gonna pier one night. The pier one night, much.
I don't mean against it. Everything that's in the hill. It's right or wrong, depending on the point of view. If I don't know, and you don't know, then none of us know. Let's talk it out. Let's talk it out. I'll always be open.
We needed this. We were dying. I'm thirsty. We were dying of thirst. Necessary. Needed.
Let's talk it out.
My eyeballs are Hey guys, so right now we are in Tulum. You guys would have seen the footage of all of that, but it was hectic to trying to find a place that we actually liked that was affordable. So we ended up at Mia, and you guys are gonna see footage of the place. It's really nice. It's boutique. As you can see, it like is complimentary with this boutique little hotel vibe, which is super cute. And yeah, we're about to order food and drinks and have a good day. I'm still in my same fit, which is super cute. It gives Tulum, if you ask me. And it's really boutique, and I love it so far. Have on my little hat and a little see-through looking white dress. My makeup is managing to still look okay. And yeah, heading out.
Then we gonna sip a cup.
Look at this view in this room. This is next level. Wow. Another day.
We have chocolate tea, cocoa tea, Milo tea, your Ella earth tea, your Futa earth tea, your Baka earth tea. No worry, we have bush tea, ginger tea, mint tea, lime leaf tea.
Crazy, like
I can drink this and go to sleep.
yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I can't. Me,
Yeah, coffee and me, I'm 10 out of 10.
Yeah,
I can't do coffee.
Soda, she could type.
Yeah, I drink a Coca-Cola and I'm hype.
Really? Oh,
I could run to New York and back.
I just want it. How much caffeine does it have in there? A lot.
About the same as a cup of coffee.
Seriously? No wonder I be feeling like that.
But you know what's funny? Tea's very high in caffeine too, and it doesn't.
A lot of teas.
Green tea and
Black tea.
yes.
That's why I like chamomile.
So that's not really like, what was it last year? Last year I gave up caffeine for less. And then I got some bubble tea. But I didn't realize that the bubble tea had like caffeine in it.
It has in there?
Yes. Yes.
That's why I be feeling like that's a can.
Bubble tea has black tea. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Hence my Hello Kitty theme here.
Put you in the.
I can't. Jamaica needs to do better.
In out. Yes. Yeah. Lap up. You can't sit down on our lap, man.
All right.
Let me tell you, Vince is
Gary bump with everybody else.
What day is this? Day 3?
Yes, I think this is day 3.
Day 3? Oh gosh, mighty God. Oh, cute life week. No,
Friends, coming at the video lights. Go cute.
see you there? Where are you?
there.
No way. So cute.
Oh, wow. Quality on that is great.
Right? Yes. How cute. Yes. Cute. Yes. That's adorable. Awesome. Okay. Y'all can go in.
go. Yes. Okay. Oh, I need to see all this time. You did one too?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, I need to see. I love it.
It was right there. It's fun to get our towels.
Okay. Reduce right?
Drea's dirty today.
Fair enough.
Alright y'all, this is the final full day in Cancun. So excited. It's been such a vibe. It's been a bit hard to vlog, guys, because you know, it's a lot of fun happening, and I guess, you know, maybe you guys haven't heard my voice enough on this vlog, but I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Again, it's the final day and the gang is gonna hang out by the beach and then more than likely go by the pool. But Cancun is a dream and I'm just happy to be here. Period. I know that's right. You can swallow. Okay. Did you like it?
Yes, I liked it.
Okay, alright.
And biting it is kind of like spoiling because it's like okay. My first oyster. An oyster.
First oyster. Yes.
From the Dream team. Why is this giving? It's But I can take a picture with it.
Yes, take a picture.
I'm on here already.
Yes, girl. So guys, this is what I'm gonna call the very final day in Cancun. Well, the very final night in Cancun. We're actually walking just to see if there's anything on the street. Well, it's kind of a dead day because it's dead night because it's Sunday night, and yeah, we're just walking. So I think I'm gonna close out the vlog. It was so amazing. This was literally a dedication to my best friend for her birthday. I don't know if you guys can hear me because, I mean, even though it's so late, there are people still on the street. So I do hope that you guys can hear me well. I couldn't tell you if the footage is good or bad, especially from a microphone standpoint. So I'm trying to like talk really close to it. Either way, this is, I don't know if I've talked enough in this vlog. Like, I really hope I've talked enough to you guys because I have been having so much fun. It's been such an amazing trip, and I just hope that I've been talking enough and explaining everything. We just left Nicoletta's, which was like an amazing dinner. Yeah, guys, so tomorrow's my flight back, and I don't know how I feel. Actually, was so sad today. Like, I cried, guys. I was so sad because I didn't want to leave. I didn't want to leave my friends. I didn't want to leave anyone. I just wanted everything to just remain the same. I hope that you guys can hear me. But I'll probably talk again at some point before I leave at the airport. Alright, y'all, I don't know if you can hear me, but this is my very last day in Cancun. I am walking to my gate and I'm showing you guys a little view of some of the things in the duty-free area. Oh my goodness. The trip was amazing. I just hope you guys enjoyed everything that you see. This would have been maybe part 3 of a very, very long series of me in Mexico. And I just thank God for being able to showcase things like this with you all. And hopefully my travels will continue in God's willing. I hope you guys enjoyed the Mexico vlog. Bye.